Benefits of our Dermalux LED light or phototherapy. Now, Dermalux is clinically proven in the treatment of a wide range of indications, including anti-aging and skin rejuvenation, breakouts, spots, acne, blemish-prone skin, hyperpigmentation, red, irritated, sensitive skin conditions. Blue LED light is used to destroy the bacteria which causes spots, helping to improve skin clarity, and also has a calming effect for problematic skin. Red light has a rejuvenating effect on the skin, and this is the one we commonly use in our treatments. This is going to help to stimulate cell renewal, boost collagen, which has a lasting effect on the skin, helping to increase hydration. And then we have near-infrared light, which offers advanced rejuvenation benefits, helping to calm red, irritated skin, and also helps to reduce pigmentation.